All right, Kira and Sarah and Rachel. This is the last little bit of review. I'm going to do, I don't know, we'll probably do the rest of this together, and then we're going to do some whiteboard stuff at the end. I will probably continue recording that, so this might be a really long video. But if you want to stop at the end, go for it. If you want to continue going, I don't care. Whatever. So that's how this works. 10-5. Make sure that you have your note card ready to go because this test is tomorrow. So make sure you have him located and all sorts of things. They have two vectors for us, which is 1, 8, and 4, -6. And they are labeled U and V. And they want us to find 2U plus V. Okay? So, 2U, let's put that together. What's 2U look like?
216.
216. V is 4, -6. And we put them together. What do you got?
8.
No. 6, comma?
Yeah.
10. There you go. 6, 10. All done. Okay, this is just teaching you to add vectors together. All right, we'll do 16 together, and then you can do the other one by yourself. So 3U. What's 3U look like? 3U. 324. You're taking 3 times the U, right? Minus half of V. What's half of V? 2, -3. Okay, now, when we put this together, you're subtracting. Keep that in mind. 1, comma? 27, because it's minus a -3, yeah? Okay, 17. You do that one real quick. And then we'll check. I'll give you like a 15-second head start. And you're like, Mrs. Commenter, please put a ton of these on the test, right?
Yes.
Yes.
How long is
We'll
the
see.
test?
I don't know.
I say like 10 questions.
I say you
No,
don't.
we
I
don't
say
need to miss
you don't get to decide that. So
22.
anyway.
Why not?
I mean
20?
like the shorter the question.
Thank you.
Okay, did we get that? 2, -22. Yeah. We can math, maybe a little bit. What? All right, this next one. Find this is the biggest thing you're going to get like confused on. Find the component form. What does component form look like? AB in the triangular brackets. This is what we're looking for. And they're giving us that what does this thing stand for? Like, what is that? That's the absolute value, which is another way of saying R is 4, right? R is 4. Okay, that's the magnitude or whatever. And then the direction is 120 degrees. Okay, so they're basically giving you polar form, right? So they're saying that this is 4 comma cosine 120 plus I sine of 120. Yeah?
You said comma.
You said comma, that's so confusing.
What?
That was tripping me out. You said comma.
Oh, comma. Sorry, plus. Yeah. So they're giving you polar form. This is polar, and we want component form. How do I go from here to here? Multiply. 4 times cosine of 120. Do I need to be in radians or degrees?
Rads. Or degrees.
Why degrees?
Because that's a degree.
120 is a degree, right? Okay.
Doing that.
Earlier we had to be in radians, right? Okay, so be careful.
It's
-2. Okay. And then 4 times sine of 120.
3.46.
3.46. There you go. These two right here. Okay. Are we clear on that? Are we good?
Yeah.
Okay.
I literally texted Jenny. I'm like, can you give me a call that off?
All right. Number 19. This is like your rectangular form.
I would have said yes. Screw that. I just did, so if I still feel
And they want us to find magnitude and direction. What does that mean? What's magnitude? R. And they want to find direction, which is like theta. I don't know. For some reason, they read it as I and J instead of 3 minus 4I. Whatever, it's fine. So 3 minus 4J, what quadrant are we in?
we had our officer interviews today.
4. Draw your picture. Here you go. Here's your triangle. Okay. Let's label the triangle. What do we got? 3, -4, and you said this is 5. Use the Pythagorean theorem. If it doesn't come out nice, leave it as a square root. Okay. So what did we just find? R is 5, right? Okay. If it doesn't come out nicely, leave it as a square root. All right. Now we have to find theta. How did we do what? No. Are you good? Okay. Theta lives here, right? And we do tangent. Tangent of theta is what over what?
-4/3.
-4/3. And we do inverse. Whoa. And we do theta is the inverse tangent.
degrees.
of negative 4 over 3. And what is it?
306.
Is, hold on.
Negative
Give me the other one.
Negative 53.
Negative 53 degrees.
I'm going to say 306.
Yes. Okay. Negative 53 degrees. But always give me the correct angle going from like here around. We would take 360 minus 53, which you said was 307, right?
Yep.
307. Okay. And how do we have to write our answer? Find the magnitude and direction for each angle.
We don't have to write it.
We don't have to write it in polar form, so we're just going to leave it like that, right? They're just saying find the magnitude and direction. They don't say find in polar form. What?
north of west thing.
I don't care. You can either, in this problem, you can give me 307 degrees, or you could have said 53 degrees south of east. Is that right?
The next one we have
53 degrees south of east. Okay?
The next one.
All right, why don't you try number 20?
What?
Okay, you guys, real quick, I'll give you a 30-second head start. Try number 20. Go. Angle and direction. Not angle and direction. That's the same thing. Magnitude and direction. Go.
Wait, what's the magnitude of 19?
What are you talking about? Magnitude was 5. It was a 3, 4, 5. We did the Pythagorean theorem in our heads because we know it's a 3, 4, 5. Okay? 20, draw a picture.
The magnitude is just naming what the sides are.
The magnitude is finding the hypotenuse of your triangle.
Oh,
R. It's like finding R. Yeah. R and theta is the what things that you need. Okay? So do number 20. I'll give you a start.
What's the square root of 50? That is not correct. What's the square root of 50? 180.
Just leave it. If it doesn't come out nicely, just leave it as a square root of 50. That's your magnitude.
Why would it be negative?
Because 25 times 25 is not 50.
I was
But it's
kidding.
not in the bottom.
I was just joking.
So then
I was just
I
kidding.
was just joking, yo.
square root of 50.
Just leave it as the square root of 50.
You never have to. I hate when you do that. I hate when we leave it because I always like to just put number on the
No.
calculator.
No. You want to know why I want you to leave it?
Why?
What's the square root of 50?
7.07.
7.07 what? Blah, 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 blah. Even if you give me all the decimals in that calculator, it is still rounded at a certain point.
Are you gonna count it wrong?
So this,
right now?
yes. So the square root of 50 is the exact answer. It is the square root of 50 is not rounded.
Yeah, you're right.
Your calculator, regardless if you give me all of the decimal places of your calculator, the square root of 50 is rounded.
Yep.
Or like the decimals are rounded off. Okay? Theta
My
equals.
calculator is coming. It very well could be under the seat of my car, but I haven't been in there to look.
Opposite adjacent, right? What's theta?
It was negative 81.8.
Negative 81.8 degrees.
That's
Okay.
what it was.
So then how do you find it?
180 minus or that minus
180 minus 81.8, which is like 98.2 degrees. Yeah? Those two things, square root of 50 and 98.2 degrees. That's what you should have for magnitude direction. Good? Yes? Okay. All right. Are we on the last one? Holy cow. This is crazy.
Hey, what'd you get for the theta?
Well, I'm not.
Angle is 98.2 degrees.
For the theta?
We got originally 81.8, but you have to subtract that from 180.
Yeah.
Right? Okay. 98.2 degrees. Here we go. An object at the origin is acted upon by a 10-pound force and a direction angle of 90 degrees. Okay, that's a polar form. Let's write it in polar form. 10 cosine theta, which is 90, plus I sine of 90. Okay, it's like going straight up, right? Okay. Then the second thing has a 20-pound force at a direction angle of 30 degrees. So cosine 30 plus I sine 30, yeah? Okay?
Yeah.
Those two are acting together at the same time. I'm just writing the polar form for each one, right? 10-pound force at 90 degrees, 20-pound force, 30 degrees. I'm just writing the polar form of each one of those. Now they're acting together, which means I need to add them, right? I add them together, but I can't add them together when, like we added these together before, but these two angles, like that's, I don't know, that's not gonna work. We're multiplying, right? So what do we have to do first? What?
Triple the one to the right.
What do you mean? No, we can't do that. We can't do that. What?
Ow, ow.
This is polar.
Ow.
This is polar form.
Get vector.
Oh,
Make
yeah.
it component form, right?
Gee.
Let's make it component form. So, 10 times cosine 90.
Zero.
0.
10.
0.
Oh, I put plus.
0, comma, 10 sine 90
1.
is 10.
Oh.
Right?
I don't know.
Yeah, okay.
But
Plus, what's 20 cosine 30? And 20 sine 30? Oh, I should be, my brackets should be in like
17.3.
17.3.
17.3 comma what? 20 sine of 30, 10?
Yeah, 20.
10, okay. All right, now I add those together, right?
17.3 plus 20. I mean,
Whoa, 17.3 comma 20?
30.
20?
Oh, why am
10
I
plus 10.
What am I
Woo!
writing?
Woo! Okay, so now we have both of the forces together and this is in component form. What are we trying to find?
It's okay.
Magnitude and direction.
Magnitude and direction, just like we did right above, right? Okay, magnitude, direction. What quadrant are we in?
We are in the first quadrant.
First quadrant, right here.
I like this better than the school one.
Okay, this is 17.3 comma 20, right there. So magnitude, we do the Pythagorean theorem, which is really ugly with decimal numbers, but 17.3 squared.
Do you want a decimal for this one?
Yes, you can. Plus 20 squared equals c squared, and because we already have decimals going on here.
26.4.
You take the square root and everything?
Yes.
So c is 26.4. Does that make sense? 26.4 is the biggest of the three, right? 17.3, 20, 26.4 sounds appropriate.
Bro, I'm cold.
Is that the shirt that people either
This
do
is-
that
we don't
or
care.
The yellow?
The
Red.
magnitude
I know.
is 26.4, but what units goes on the 26.4?
Did you see white folder? Did you see blue?
Well,
Blue. Nobody did.
Blue.
26.4 what?
pounds.
Pounds of force, because we're trying to find force. So 26.4 pounds of force at an angle of, I don't know, let's do
49.1.
inverse tangent of 20 over 17.3. And you said what?
49.1 degrees.
49.1 degrees. Do we add, subtract from 180 to 360? Nothing?
Nope.
No, because we're in the first quadrant, okay? So you can say 49.1 degrees, or you could say 49.1. What would this be?
Call me. Look at that box.
What would this be?
What?
What direction? South of, north of?
North of east.
North of east.
Do we need that?
I don't care. However you read it.
Emma, can I have my pen back?
Okay, good.
No.
All right. Do you want some whiteboard problems?
Because I might take it today.
Yeah?
I mean,
Yes?
I do, but I'm
Okay.
not now.
All right, go grab a whiteboard or just take an extra sheet of paper that you have at your desk, and I'll give you some extra problems, okay?
I said no.
Good, good.
Who needs a whiteboard?
Me.
I'm gonna go.
Craig, please.
So if you are done watching this video and you want to stop, go for it. We're gonna go through and do a couple more problems just from like stuff that we did the other day. And I'm gonna ask you guys what you want for story problems, and I'll make some.
What?
You like this one on the far right?
Let me see. Do the far right.
I like that.
What do we
Marcus, can I steal your paper?
need on there?
All right. Do you guys want law of sines, law of cosines? Or are we
Yes.
good on that?
The hard one. Cosine.
Cosines? Okay. All right. I'll give you some problems. Here you go. Let's do.
You got someone.
Yes, I did.
Are you using your iPad?
I need one. Pass, give it to me. Give it to me.
Oh.
Can I have a black marker?
Why are you having an annual business meeting?
Oh, this is gonna be a banquet.
Okay.
Posting this one.
Find the other ones. Go for it.
Craig, can I have a whiteboard?
Find the other ones that are missing.
Okay, let me get out my.
Actually, I physically can't do
How do you want to do this? Do you want me to go after a bit, or do you want?
Yeah.
You just start working and we'll work and then we'll go over it when you're done.
Okay, sounds good. I'll how about I working on my own whiteboard? Will that work?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. All right. There you go.
Also, we should do like the area one. I have no idea how to do this.
Sure. We'll do that. We can find the area of this one also. So after you find the missing stuff, find the area of this one. Okay, sound good? So,
Oh my gosh, why can't I think?
A, B, C, and then find me area.
I don't know what to do.
I don't either.
White,
We're gonna guess.
Fill stuff in, guys. Come on.
You.
What?
Huh?
Yeah. Even I know how
I
to
can't
do
even
this.
do that. What the heck?
Okay, then do it.
I don't have a calculator.
Go,
So
go.
if it doesn't come out nicely,
Kidding, I
Come try, I don't have a calculator.
Round to one decimal place. I don't have a calculator either. I had to go find one.
Just do it in your head.
You tell me what to do.
Okay, can you do law of sines or you have to do law of cosines? Cosines, then do it.
I'm doing it.
What are you solving for first?
A.
Little a, right?
Go.
Can I get a calculator up in
I
here?
don't even know how to do that.
Okay, got it. Wait, then do we have to take the square root of that or something?
How
Yes.
do I do cosine? What is the formula for cosine?
Shoot me.
What is it?
Freaking.
How do you find R?
What the heck is R?
You did not just say what the heck is all.
What? Okay.
No, what's R?
We're doing A, B's, and C's.
Oh, that's right.
But
I
on the
didn't plug it
area,
in.
don't we need it? Me neither. To be frank with you.
Can we just redo this chapter?
Yeah, I agree with
I agree. There's been so much going on throughout this whole chapter. Can I just go home?
I don't know what's happening.
I'm not joking.
How do you, what's my first step?
Okay, I just don't know how to solve area.
Why is
Do
there
area.
being
Yeah, I don't know how to do area,
I
so I
got
can do
a
everything else.
Area, oh, 1/2 BC sine of
So I have to now do sine 120
I got this now.
over.
Craig, can I have a...
Wait, I thought we can't use rounded numbers, but we have to use rounded numbers.
You will in this one.
Okay.
In law of cosines, you have to use one rounded number.
Go.
And I don't like this over here.
Area, grab your note card. It's on your note card.
Oh shit,
No.
that's what that is. What?
What's your language?
She said
What
shoot.
did I say?
If you're done, I'm gonna do another one. A, B.
No, you give it to Hubble.
I didn't
Oh, you didn't
realize
ever
that.
get it.
I didn't
You're
realize
supposed
that
to give
until
them
after
all
I
the
said
bond.
it. Okay, wait. Where does it say how to
Maybe
do
I
the
need to
area?
really talk to Hubble then.
It doesn't say on our note card how to do the area.
Yes, it does.
No, it
But
doesn't.
we added it to it.
No,
Were
it
you
does
not here?
not.
Were you not
Why
here?
you going
Bro,
to this
where's the
night?
answer?
It
It
doesn't.
I got 508.
We shot property to street job.
You don't have a pencil.
Oh, I thought that was a six.
Oh, no, come back.
Wait.
No.
Words.
No, this is
Me
it.
first.
Right now.
No.
While you go over this inside of it, can I go talk to Hubble really quick?
Me too.
Okay, how do I find the area?
Then sine of 120. Okay, pause because I'm on to
That is
something.
fat. Oh my god.
It's right, but it's
72.78 squared. Kelsey. Here. Kelsey. I've decided I'm giving up on this.
Maya, shut up.
She's trying to give me the answer.
No, I don't want the answer.
So that's all you have to do is plug it into that equation? Oh, so it's easy once you find all the sides.
This one for the area. Well, you don't even have to. You can use what you have to
Well,
speak of, right? One
Well,
half
yeah.
BC sine of
Yeah, yeah,
I
yeah.
kind of feel like I'm about to
Area
throw
for
up.
the other one.
I haven't
is
messed up for that.
MS. Okay, okay.
Same. I was in bed all day.
Is S.
I'm gonna go grab
Oh yeah?
Just don't throw up when you go home.
Oh no.
Auden told April I threw up one time and I never did.
Yeah,
Just
this
like
isn't
you.
right because for B I got
A plus B plus C.
0.46.
So if
Can you not do that here? Can you take that out to the hallway?
no angles.
Gracie, oh, that was a real guess.
Take it to the hall.
So
I
it depends
do
on what
not
we're
know.
given.
No,
Okay.
Are you ready for the answer?
No, I got to the where you use the line of signs or law of signs part.
What'd you get for little a?
22.5.
That's what I got. 22.5. Okay. 120, and then we got 12 and 14. Okay, so we do sine of 120 over 22.5 equals sine of b over 12 if you're going to solve for b next, right? Okay. All right, Kelsey. Then cross multiply. So we're going to multiply these together,
I did.
right? And then divide by 22.5, right? Okay. That should give you a decimal. That is what sine of b is, right? Whatever you get here is what sine of b is. And then how do I find b? You do the inverse sine, right? And you should get 4b, like something like 27.5. You betcha. Degrees. Then you can add them together and subtract, and you get
Nope.
32.
I still got 0.46. For
now take inverse sine of that.
That makes me want to vomit.
You have not taken inverse sine.
I want to make supper.
We're making supper.
What do you want?
Okay.
Like
lasagna.
like a good cut of meat.
Twice baked potato.
Like chicken.
Okay. And 32.5 degrees. There you go. Okay. Good.
Look out. We need to.
Did you guys find area of this one?
Yeah.
Yes. What'd you get for area?
Okay.
72.7.
72.7 units squared. Kelsey, did you get 72.7 units squared?
The whole night, Kelsey was
Just
For area.
How about you give me a second?
Okay.
No,
All right.
I
Well.
don't even, just give me a second.
Sorry, people watching this video. They are very slow.
Your words a bit too much.
Hey.
I'm
What
not.
else is
But
hard?
you are.
What
Not
else is
me.
hard? Move.
Okay. If you are waiting on Kelsey, do this one. You have all of the sides, but none of the angles.
Okay, now
You
I
need
know
to
how
find.
do area.
I'll come over to you.
Oh, I don't like
Okay.
when you do that.
Work on this one. Okay, work on this one. You have 7, 10, and 14. You need to find the other ones and find the area. Go.
No, it's not.
Do this one.
Where?
Do we have to use? Do we
It's on this.
Still law of cosines for this one.
cosine?
You have to start with law of cosines because you don't have a group, right? You don't have a matching pair.
Woohoo!
Yeah.
A, B,
It was a stressful week.
Okay.
So I'll pay attention.
I don't like being added, Comature.
And area, there's two formulas for area, depends on what you're doing.
Oh, and it's
B, C, sine of A,
B
that's one formula,
10.
okay?
I feel like I
This
could throw
is
up.
two
Little
sides,
c is
one
14.
angle. You see the two sides?
Bro, I got this.
One angle.
Oh no, I
The
don't.
area is really messy, and it is S
Okay, I think
times
it's
S
good now.
minus A.
Comature, are you crazy?
Times S minus C.
Why is my mom subtracted your phone?
I don't have any pictures with you.
Yeah, you do.
Me?
I literally don't.
Yeah, you do. You took a
This is
selfie.
three sides.
Oh, yeah.
Great, do we have any pictures?
And this next
Yeah,
one,
we do, but
we're gonna
it's
give
not
it
in my
three sides.
phone.
As two
Why?
sides, you have
You're
that,
in
that's
there.
your S.
I only have enough pictures.
Okay.
I just
Alright,
split
there
it
you go.
across three
Okay.
phones.
You don't need to post for Silver Lakes.
Trey, am I in it?
I have one Silver Lake picture.
Are you working on this one?
Trey, am I in it?
Yeah.
Not a thing. Be ready for a test
Uh-huh.
tomorrow.
I will. I already know how to do this. I'm good.
Are you sure?
Oh,
I'm
wait.
positive.
I got an issue.
I don't think you do.
No, I do.
What?
So I just tried solving for sine and it said error domain.
Uh-oh. Maybe there is a problem. You just tried solving for what?
Sine. I got the angle
Cover
and then I had the sines.
What was your angle?
Because if I take the arc sine of what I
I
found.
I brought a calculator.
What'd you get for A?
Error domain. For A, I
Did
got
you get an
100.
answer for A?
I got 28.
Yeah,
I
you're
got
wrong.
100.
You're
It's not my
wrong.
wrong.
How did you
Was
do
that
it?
you?
I did. Okay, Aaron.
Hey, can we all just go home?
So that's 49.
Does that mean inverse? I'm
Right.
not joking.
Okay.
Right, Comature?
Sure.
49 divided by 10 squared.
Subtract 10 squared, right? You have 49 equals 100 plus 196
Yeah, you're right.
minus 2 times 10 times 14 times cosine of A, yeah?
Wait, so then I do 49 minus 100
Yep.
minus 196
What'd you get?
We don't speak.
minus or then plus 2
No, no,
times
no, 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 no. Stop. What'd you get? 49 minus 100 minus 196.
247.
No. What?
Minus 247.
Negative 247. Okay. Equals negative. That would be 280 cosine of A, right? Now, how do you get rid of the 280?
Divide.
Divide by negative 280. Yeah, write out everything. So cosine of A equals whatever that is, which is a positive number, but
So
it's,
then take the arc.
now you do arc cosine of that.
I got 151 now.
Oh,
Much better.
no. You did something
Something
wrong.
here isn't
Just like you
right.
said.
Something big, I feel it happening.
I don't know.
Did you divide by negative 280? Take negative 247 divided by negative 280, or just 247 divided by 280,
It's not bumping.
and do inverse
Okay.
cosine.
Put that.
Now what'd you get?
This is not bumping.
But the Shirley
There it
Temple's
is
at
at.
prom.
Oh my
Okay.
heavens.
Busted it.
At the wrong day.
Are those the ones that were like icy?
What?
No,
That's
those were
probably
the
what it was.
If I take the
Those were
arc
good.
cosine of,
The slushies?
oh my
Yeah.
gosh,
Not as good
hold
as Shirley
on.
Temple's.
I didn't have a Shirley Temple.
Did anybody get area yet? On what?
Now I get
This
122.
one we are doing.
Oh, heaven's sakes.
Oh,
What is wrong with you? Are you in radians?
Oh, we are. I just did
No,
it.
I'm in degrees.
Let me see. So, you took 247. 247 divided by
Now we
280.
have to do
Enter.
the law
And you
of.
did inverse cosine of the answer, and you got 28.1 degrees.
That's what I just
I
did.
don't know what your issue is, but
Oh,
it's
yeah.
28.1 degrees. Yes?
Yes. So then
So my
I just
caption,
180 minus 100
Sarah stands for
minus
was better?
28.
What are you doing?
The
What are you
upstairs
doing?
Finding the other angle. See, what's
How?
Cometer, where did you get the
Because I got
negative
100.
247?
A is 100.
No, A was the one that we just did. 28.1 degrees is A, you goofball.
You're right.
Sine of 28.1 over 7 equals sine of B over 10. Multiply, divide. An inverse sine of that. I don't have a calculator.
Fun fact.
Sorry.
Is my antenna
I did it
on
wrong.
me?
You can even see how I did it wrong.
Okay.
Should I put that as a picture?
No, just
28.1
Oh god.
divided by 7. An inverse sine of the answer. And I got
Everybody
God, I got error
Marcus?
again.
On what?
what is wrong with
Hold on.
you?
42.
Sine of 28.1
What is wrong with
divided by 7
Are you
No.
in
times
radians?
10.
An inverse sine of that.
Inverse sine.
Clay,
Now
should
I get
do it
42
split,
point
or should I
three.
do?
you?
I think that that's more.
No.
109.6.
If you're good at Instagram captions,
Yes,
you're a weirdo
dear?
and no one likes you.
I
Close,
rounded
yeah.
to 110.
Do that.
Okay.
Because I just
Marcus
left
is
all
not
of my
good.
answers.
Let me do the
Oh,
area.
okay.
Yeah, I
What
got
for your Instagram
32.9.
caption?
32.9.
I'm
Yeah.
good at
But I
this.
also-
So
Oh,
S
you're
equals
good.
1/2 of
28.
7, 10, and 14.
Well,
Oh,
your Instagram
hey,
should have
Hey,
your
I did the other one.
My Instagram
Oh,
is
after you found an
Who comes
answer?
up with good
Yeah.
captions? Me. No one.
Tucker.
I
Tucker
I have
did.
good
Tucker's was
captions.
pretty
Yeah,
funny.
Tucker.
Okay.
Because I'm lazy.
What was his? I thought it was very unoriginal. I don't remember what it was. I thought it was
Don't be
why-
moody, shake
why
your
was-
booty.
Yeah, I thought that made me really uncomfortable.
Did he come up with that all by himself?
Yeah, he was like, I'm gonna put peach emojis in my caption. I was like, oh.
Go for it.
You do you.
Okay, I'll tell you in a second if I got the right answer.
Another weekend in Lincoln.
I sure hope you guys are ready for this test tomorrow because it doesn't sound like it.
Homie, I got this.
I got 32.9. Mallory.
That's what I got.
Okay.
That's what
All right, there you go.
I got too.
All right, we're quitting.
Come on, Cometer.
No.
We're quitting?
Goodbye, people.